you're looking at the BlackBerry Passport, which was announced today. A new boundary-breaking design. As you see, it's very unlike what you see in the market today, right? This has a stainless steel frame structure going all around it. It's exposed. It gives it the strength and durability, but also gives it that visual lightness. Now, talking about the touchscreen itself, this is a 4.5-inch large touchscreen with a 1:1 aspect ratio, 1440 by 1440 full HD resolution at 453 dpi, giving the user that optimum browsing and reading experience. If you look at documents, if you're browsing web pages, it gives you that real rich browsing experience and optimum viewing and editing documents on the go capability. This also comes with a beautiful new keyboard layout of 3 physical rows, and it also has a 4th virtual and dynamic row. Now here's the key. Since the keyboard is capacitive, it offers me a feature wherein I can flick to type words onto the screen. So if I'm typing here, the device actually offers me suggestions which I can then flick to type on the screen. So I'm going to say, looking forward to seeing everyone again for dinner. Swipe down for symbols on the screen, on the keyboard again, say 9 p.m. And what this really does is gives me that added functionality. It brings innovation into the BlackBerry Passport while continuing to maintain our DNA and our legacy of having the best QWERTY keyboards on the market. If I make a mistake while typing, all I need to do is swipe left and the device deletes one word at a time. If I need to edit some text, just double tap, bring in the cursor, and this gives me fine cursor control. Holding the shift key and doing the same actually allows me to edit text on the go. This is a quick look at the capacitive keyboard. All in all, this device comes with top of the line 2.2 gig quad core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It has 3 GB of RAM with expandable 128 GB memory stored via SD card. This has a 13 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization, 1080p HD recording at 60 frames per second. It has a front 2 megapixel camera also capable of HD recording, a large 3450 milliamp battery which provides the user up to 30 hours of mixed use, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNA, NFC, HDMI, USB, OTG support, Miracast, and so much more, all on the BlackBerry Passport, now available at $49,990. The BlackBerry Passport also comes with 10.3 out of the box, which is by far the most comprehensive and largest OS update by BlackBerry to date. It has a completely new look and a revamped UI, along with a dedicated home screen. It also comes with preloaded Amazon App Store to give the user that complete range of all the famous apps and consumer titles available on the Android Amazon App Store. So you get BlackBerry World for work for the best productivity and business apps, and all the famous consumer titles available via Android App Store.
If you like the video, do hit the like button. You can also follow Gizbot on Facebook, Twitter and G+ as well. Thanks for watching and do stay tuned to Gizbot.